Tell me a funny joke.
Sure, here's a classic one for you. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything.
Tell me a poetry.
In the silent night, a flower bloomed. Its petals unfurling, casting a sweet perfume.
Tell me about the Newton first law of motion, second law of motion, and third law of motions. What are the formulas for those laws?
The formulas for Newton's laws of motion are as follows. 1. Newton's first law of motion, law of inertia. Formula, F equals 0. Description, an object at rest will stay at rest, and an object in motion will stay in motion with the same velocity unless acted upon by an unbalanced external force.
So, what is the music Justin Bieber had made in last 10 years?
Justin Bieber has released several albums and singles in the last 10 years. Here is a summary of his discography from 2011 to 2021. 1.
Sing me a nice song.
Verse 1. In a world of chaos, you need a little peace. Let's escape the trouble.
Hello guys, hopefully you are doing well. Harry here, and today we're gonna talk about speech recognition technology, right? So this is the Python open source library. So we are basically on the API of speech recognition technology, right? And well, this is developed by a Python community, basically a programmer like you and me, right? So this is really fun to working with this library, right? And let me show you around, right? So basically you can see over here, that's the documentation of the library. It can also give you some example. If you can go over here, let's say like somewhere over here I've seen that yeah, saying like example, recognize speech input from mic, right? Transcribable an audio file, save audio data to an audio file, so extended recognition result, right? So guys, basically it has the capability to record your speech, right? And also like use into like various platform, right? And I'm like it's really powerful, guys. It's very powerful, right? So that's just like transcribable an audio file, right? So that's the features we're looking for, right? So we're gonna use this API just to make a subtitle for our audio speech, right? Well, you can see over here it's also saying Whisper API. For Whisper API user, the library OpenAI is required. So this look like a lot of things going over here, right? So this is still under development maybe, right? So let's say their history, right? Release history is saying like 2023. Oh, that's cool. That's they have released a new version this month, right? So guys, they are really keeping up, right? So maintaining the open source is really difficult because you need a lot of sponsors, and of course you have to work your job, and of course you have to keep this up. Like a lot of people, they don't keep open source as their full-time job, right? They do like side by side, they develop the software for the open source, right? And this is how it's helped us to build our Python community, right? So guys, I'm just gonna copy this and let me show you if I have installed this. Let me run this over here, and hopefully it worked fine. Yep, there we go. So basically requirement already satisfied, so that's mean I already have this. So I'm gonna say import, right? So let's say speech recognition as SR, right? So I have imported and I have connected those API over here, right? Open source API for speech. So now I'm gonna declare a function, let's say record. So we're gonna create a function for recording. So the function will be take like recognizer as our variable, right? And we're gonna say sr dot let's say recognizer. Maybe there's some functions like this, capital R. Oops, yep, there we go. That's a class, sorry. Recognizer, open and close parentheses, and we're gonna use with sr dot microphone, open and close parentheses, as source, right? So basically we're gonna write this, right? Basically with sr dot microphone as source. So we are writing this into a text file. I'm gonna say listening for voice as an input, right? Let's say dot 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 dot, right? And let's say like let's just try and accept block, right, just to handle the error. So if you're familiar with the trial and error, you can use try and accept block, right? Let's say audio. So if you are not familiar, you can just check my videos on Python programming. So I have demonstrated about how to use try and accept. So listen, and you can say source, because we have described over here that's the source, right? So we are using the same recognizer again, right? The variable we have declared, basically a class, right? This one. So source, and let's say timeout will be 10 second. For 10 second, it will take our voice as an input. Let's say print audio has been received. Let's say audio has been received. Yeah, that's really fine, isn't it? So audio has been received, right? And we can say something like text equal to, we're gonna save those, sorry, we're gonna use this audio, right? And we're gonna save them into the form of a text, right? So all those transcript. So recognizer dot there's plenty of functions over here, guys, so I'm not gonna go through all of them, right? So what I'm gonna use is, I'm just gonna use my essential one, which basically is recognize Google, something like that. Recognize, there we go, recognize Google. We're using the Google one, right? So let's say audio, right? And let's say print over here, and print function, we can describe recognized, right? Recognized text, and that's gonna be let's say plus txt, oops, sorry, text, yep, there we go, right? And to handle the exception, so as accept sr dot wait wait time error, right? Then it will give us a print, right? If there's no speech, let's say no speech input has been detected, right? Okay, so I'm gonna run this function. Oops, sorry, I forgot to put a column over here. So we're not giving any argument into our function. So the profit of and the benefit of not doing that is like, is really easy to use sometime, right? Because we want all the block to be run. So and let's say print text, right? So basically I'm gonna record and I'm gonna print those texts, right? Hello guys, so hope you are doing well. Harry here, and this video is about subtitle from speech. Yeah, so there we go, guys. It's saying hello guys, hope you are doing well. Have you are here, and this video is about the subtitle from speech. Look like some mistake, right? Let's try again, right? Anyway, hello guys, hope you are doing well. Harry here, and this is the video about audio to speech. Oh, hello guys, so hope you are doing well. Harry, and this is the video about audio to speech. So like, let's say like this does work, right? So because it's also my accent, right? So I've been in Scotland for like more than 5-6 years, so basically like my accent has been changed. If I say if I speak slow, maybe it's work, right? Hello guys, Harry here, hope you are doing well, and this is the first video to record audio and convert into text. Hello guys, how are you? Here, hope you are doing well, and this is the first video to record audio and convert into text, right? That's will be enough to create a prompt, right guys? So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. So next video will be about using ChatGPT API, and the block we have built from this different library. We're gonna use ChatGPT API, and we're gonna feed all this prompt right into the ChatGPT API, and we're gonna take output and we're gonna run into the audio file, right guys? Hopefully you enjoy this video. I will see you on the next video, right? And peace.